Hi everybody, Everton Zakini here. This is the second part of the video Chords for Bossa Nova. In this video we're going to see chords with the root on the string 5, and also in the description there are some suggestions of songs that you can practice these chords. Let's practice. Okay, now let's learn some chords with the root on 5th string. So there's lots of chords as well, so let's go. So the first chord we start here will be a C major 7, okay? So we have finger 1, fret 3, string 5, finger 3, string 4, fret 5, finger 2, string 3, fret 4, and finger 4, string 2, fret 4. Now for this one, let's learn a C major 9. So for C major 9, I have to move the fingering. So for C major 9 will be finger 2, string 5, fret 3, finger 1, string 4, fret 2, finger 4, string 3, fret 4, and finger 3, string 2, fret 3. C major 7, 9. From this one, I can do the same thing. I can take my finger 4 here, from here, and do a mini bar. Just press strings 3 and 4 with finger 1. So when I take my finger off, I got this chord, which is a C6-9. If you move, for example, to the next fret, the same shape, you get a D6-9. Next chord. The next chord, there are two ways to do. One is very simple. You have the C chord, and then just press with finger 4 on string 3, fret 3, C7. And this is very common. We play this chord with the bar. We have the bar here, then we have finger 3 on string 4, fret 5, and finger 4, string 2, fret 5, C7. From this one, now, the next chord is a C9 sus 4. It's very common, also being called B flat over C. It's only one finger on fret 3. You press, you do a bar with your finger 1, and you play strings 5, 4, 3, and 2. From this C9 sus 4, we move to C9. So we keep the same idea. We're gonna move only the note on fret 4, just back here to fret 2. So the notes that we have on string 5, 3, and 2, we keep the same notes here, and we just move the note from fret 3 to fret 2. C9, or C dominant 9. The next one, I move only my finger 4, just one fret up here, and then I got the C7 sharp 9. From the same idea, if I have a C7 9 here, move this note on fret 3 to fret 2. So I will do with my finger 1 a bar. So I have here the other chord. So I did a bar with my finger 1 pressing strings 2 and 4. From this one, so I move here to the chord with the C7 flat 9. So this is very common. You have this chord, C7 9, and with flat 9. Okay, now let's get the minor chords. So the first one will be a C minor 7. So this one, we have this bar chord here. This is the C minor is more common. You have the bar chord on string 3, finger 2 pressing string 2, fret 4, finger 4 pressing string 3, fret 5, and finger 3 pressing string 4, fret 5. So if I take finger 4 out here, I got a C minor 7. So for this chord, it's very common as well. We play both ways, so we play with bar, and also we play this without bar. Without bar will be finger 1, always pressing the root note, so pressing string 5, fret 3, finger 2 on fret 3, string 3, finger 4 on string 2, fret 4, and finger 3 is string 1, fret 3. So both ways are used. Usually when I play Bossa Nova, I play with this one here. Next chord, one that is more difficult. So for this one, I have to change completely the fingering. It will be a C minor 6. But this chord we use a lot. Very popular for Bossa Nova. So this one here, we play finger 2, string 5, fret 3. This is our root note. Finger 4, string 4, fret 5. Finger 1, string 3, fret 2. And finger 3, string 2, fret 4. C minor 6. The next one, we can get like the idea from the bar chord, this C minor bar chord, and we move only finger 3, 1 fret back. So for this one, I have to change the fingering. It's very common we play like this with this fingering. Finger 1 in the root note, finger 3 fret 4, string 4, finger 2 string 3, fret 3, and finger 4 string 4, fret 2. A C minor 7 flat 5, or also a C minor half diminished. Both names are fine. And then let's get the last chord. So it will be a C diminished. This one, actually the idea, you have this C half diminished here. We just move the finger 2 note to fret 2. And then finger 2 move to string 5. You just change one note. The fingering will be finger 2 on the root note, finger 3 on string 4, fret 4, finger 1, string 3, fret 2, finger 4, string 2, fret 4. I almost left one chord out, and this chord we used a lot, so check this out. Okay, so let's get the last chord that was missing. So this is a C minor 9 or C minor dominant 9. Alright, so practice the chords, find songs that you use these chords, and also this is our common chords for Bossa Nova, but we can apply this in other genres as well. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, ring the bell, and see ya!